today's guide, I will show you how to request a refund on Offerup. So, if you bought an item through a nationwide shipping, inspect it closely within 2 days after it arrives. Is it what you expected? If not, let the seller know by requesting a refund. You can request a refund from the delivered notification you received up to 2 days after you get the item. If you don't get a response that solves the issue, you have 2 more days to let us know by filling this claim here. I will also leave this guide in the description below so you can click here filling a claim. After the time period expires, we'll assume you're happy with the item and complete the transaction. To request a refund, you have to follow these 5 steps here. The number one is to navigate to your notifications by tapping Inbox, then select the notification that corresponds to the item you would like to request a refund for, then tap Request Refund, respond to the What's the issue question in the text box, then tap Request Refund. Once you've requested a refund, the seller has 2 days to accept or decline your requested for a refund. If the seller accepts, we'll send you a prepaid shipping label to mail the item back to the seller. You must use the label to qualify for a refund. Make sure to ship the item within 5 days. If the seller declines or doesn't respond to your refund request, you have 2 days to report the issue directly to us. So here's an important note here. You must report us within 4 days of the item being delivered. You have 2 days to contact the seller and 2 more days to contact us if the seller does not respond or declines. So you have also here the contact us button that you can click and you'll tell them the issue, why you want the refund, or just click the filling a claim here document to fill it out. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.